Hello parents, students, and teachers. This video is a brief overview of the Holleman Middle School Library Program. One of our primary goals in the school library is to teach students digital literacy. Digital literacy has three main parts: locating digital content, creating digital content, and sharing digital content. There are several components to locating digital content. The process of locating and assessing digital content can be described as information literacy. In the library, we help students to develop research skills, such as how to locate information using databases, catalogs, and search engines. We also help students to assess which sources are reliable and appropriate for use in school assignments, and help them to understand the importance of citation and how to properly cite sources. Students create digital content in a variety of ways. The library teaches students how to create digital content and provides tools for doing so. Digital makerspaces are an exciting way for students to create digital content. If you go to the Digital Makerspaces page on this site, you will find some fun examples your students can use in their coursework. A great example is the StoryMap.js online tool, which allows students to create free online interactive story maps. Creation of digital content also allows students to express creativity in ways that are often overlooked in school, and emphasizes the importance of collaboration, skills that students will need to become dynamic members of the workforce. Sharing digital content has become particularly important. We teach students to understand appropriate internet behavior and teach about the dangers of cyberbullying and inappropriate online behavior. We also emphasize privacy and safety concerns online. Another enormously important part of the library program is collaboration with teachers. We work closely with educators to scaffold teaching instruction and help teachers to create dynamic learning environments. We also encourage diversity, equity, and accessibility in the classroom and the library. We choose media that exposes students to a variety of diverse populations and work to make the library accessible to all students. The library is the go-to place in the school for technology instruction for students and educators. We research new applications and tools that can be used in the classroom and at home. We help teachers to incorporate technology into classroom work to prepare students for a digital world after graduation. We also provide basic assistance for Chromebooks and other technology used in the classroom. As mentioned before, the library shows students how to engage with academics beyond desks, books, and tests. Digital makerspaces and physical makerspaces encourage students to explore their creativity and excel outside of the typical classroom environment. Physical makerspace tools like electrical kits and 3D printers encourage STEM exploration, and digital makerspaces keep students excited about learning and creating digital content. Finally, the library teaches students that reading is fun. We allow students to choose what books to read and love to learn about new graphic novels, audiobooks, and films, as well as all genres of books. We also have activities like a book club and book talks put on by students that help keep students engaged in reading. We hope to see you in the library soon!